Today we're going to be talking about the film photography project flash bracket for the Polaroid 100 series pack cameras. Good on any Polaroid 100 series, 200 series, 300 series pack camera from the late 1960s, early 1970s. We call it the FPP 268 bracket for an electronic flash.
Look at that.
This was engineered here at FPP by myself and Jeff Feoro. This is an original Polaroid 268 bracket engineered with a cold shoe. You can take any electronic flash that you own that has a PC connector and use it with your Polaroid pack camera. Snaps right on. That's it. One quick recommendation, if you're using electronic flash with your Polaroid camera these days, you may be used to putting your camera down on the table like so and walking away. But remember, with an electronic flash, you have extra weight on your camera, so it is going to put pressure on your bellows. So if you're going to put your camera down on the table, take your flash off. If you have any questions, send me an email, filmphotographypodcast@gmail.com. Please do check out on the internet the Film Photography Podcast internet radio show twice a month, filmphotographypodcast.com. Till then, till next time, keep shooting film.